So today we're making a drink called Spicy Margarita. Watch it to see
it's so hot.
Spiciness.
So hot.
In our margarita. In our face. Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan and Ian, the whole party is in the house.
Back together once again.
And Derrick are going to make you a spicy margarita. Simple. Well, besides being spicy. This is the margarita that we would use for, this is our standard margarita. Recipe.awesomedrinks.com. Type in margarita. This would be the ratios that I'm going to give you to make. All we're going to be doing is bringing in some spice. Maybe one dash of Serrano. We're also going to use, some spiciness. We're also going to use some Sonia's sweet and spicy candied jalapeno peppers.
I haven't made a drink in a while.
I know, Jesus. Don't be nervous. You've done this before.
These we're going to use as a garnish because we can. You at home, if you don't have any of Sonia's peppers, you can either go to her website and buy them, which is going to be soniasweetandspicy.com, or make believe you have them or use a jalapeno or use a habanero or habanero.
Oh, it's good.
I'm not.
Oh, they're spicy. And they're sweet too. They're sweet first, and then they're spicy.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah,
You're feeding that to me? There's a lot of food in there.
Yeah, you want one too?
Not yet, I'm busy.
Well, I can feed it to you while you're moving.
Not yet, I'm straight.
It's like a fire. It's like a sweet green pepper that follows with fire to your soul.
Yeah, it's sweet first.
Yeah.
It's good.
While Ian's building that, holy shit, it's the whole dropper.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
That's what a dash is, huh?
Yeah, that's what a dash is.
I remember.
Wow. It's been a long time, huh?
Well, I figured I'd tell you.
He's already correcting you.
Well, I wanted to make sure he knew so that I would remember to say to people, use the whole dropper when you go to awesomedrinks.com and buy Serrano peppers from Boy Drinks World. Give me a second here. And use that whole dropper. You just got to get the dropper out. Otherwise, don't do the drop thing because if you do one dash like this, you're not going to taste anything. And that's just weird.
They're pretty spicy though.
Yeah, but it's fading a little bit.
Yeah, no, it's good. No, it's like a really...
Yeah, it's like a candied pepper.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to put the pepper in here?
No.
No.
It's my garnish. Don't worry about it, homie.
Okay. I was just looking at that.
The recipe is going to be 2 ounces.
The recipe.
2 ounces tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce of agave nectar, 3/4 ounce of orange liqueur.
No, right here.
Wow, yeah, that's
what's that?
This is for our simple syrup we're going to try. But I want to make the drink
Did you want
first.
to put ice in it?
Candied jalapeno peppers.
You gonna put ice in the glass?
He's new here.
We gotta get...
Look, we haven't filmed for
You know the
2
problem
months.
is he doesn't have his apron on. He's all fucked up.
Right, you don't have your apron on.
It's too hot for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too hot for that shit.
But, I mean, technically, we haven't filmed almost 2 months. Ian wasn't here for the last filming, so it's almost like a quarter of a year.
Yeah.
Or half a year almost.
It's
I don't
true.
remember. I don't remember the last time you were here,
Do
dude.
this outside of here, so.
It was like May.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, put that right there. That, my friends, is a spicy margarita. Now, the reason I emphasize a spicy margarita, we could have just made a regular margarita, is because people for some reason get intimidated the minute you want to modify something. What are you doing? Oh, is it spicy?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Is it spicy?
I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh, that's just like my reaction.
Yeah, it's fine. It just went in my nose, that's all.
Your left eye closed, though. It was like weird. I thought you were rebooting it. Like, you're like, oh, I got it. Start over.
Could be.
So don't be afraid to modify a base cocktail. Now, if you said, oh, you know what would also be good in here? Some celery. Then you can get celery bitters. Again, awesomedrinks.com, obviously, to add a little bit of that and play with it. Because these are like your salt and pepper. This is...
Celery would be good in here.
What is it?
Celery would be good in here.
Celery, yeah. Anything like that, you can kind of pair it up, and then when you find something, it's yours. Signature, your cocktail. That burns on the side of my mouth.
Really?
A little bit. But it might have been from
The
that
bitters aren't that bad. I don't know, maybe because we ate the pepper.
I think it might have the pepper.
The pepper's good though.
No, now this, for me, I would probably do 2 dashes of the Serrano, because I like it, like, aggressive.
Yeah, it's actually not that spicy.
But you can control it. Time to warm up, says Stephen Poisey. Well, it's $13.99 US Canadian. Wait, Canadian and US are 2 different things. No, opposites.
It's California money.
California monies. Oh, yeah. CAs.
It's about $2 a year.
California money.
Fucking California money. All those billionaires out in California, they're actually not worth that much.
Right.
Because it's like a quarter of the.
leveraged.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking because of the exchange
good with the
rate from
pepper.
California money.
So you gotta eat the pepper and then drink it. It's good.
Peppers are good.
Okay.
Peppers are good.
Good on a sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. He just takes this filter.
Am I supposed to chase it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You eat it and drink. It's good.
Can you pour some of that in here? This is just the syrup. I want to see what it tastes like.
Sure.
So Canadian dollars about 75 cents. So
That's close.
that's $7.50. That's about $10.
I just made a mess. Oh yeah, you can drink.
Oh, look at those peppers. The spiciness is in there. Well, I gotta tell you.
Now my mouth's hot.
Have you done cocktails with Raki? Raki?
No.
I don't know him.
I'm trying to think of something that could top what you just said.
Like the massage technique?
Reiki?
Is that 2Ks though?
Oh, I'm in for that. What are we doing?
Tastes like pickle juice. Like
Like the
bread and butter pickles?
Yeah. Well, that's what those things taste like.
Is it? Is that what I'm getting?
It's a spirit from the Balkans.
Alright, I'm not. I do.
It's a spirit from the Balkans.
I would
Like
be
a
hard
Holy Spirit?
pressed. You're just being.
Oh my god, I can't even talk. My throat's like on fire.
You're being purposely stupid for hilarity. Is that what's going on? I on the other hand would not wager money that I could point out where the Balkans are on a map right now.
What is
so
I know where my Balkans are.
What's A?
what's A?
Yeah.
Australia. I don't know why I had a
I think
hard time
that's
saying
AUD
Australia.
though, isn't it?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, but Canadian is KAD, isn't it?
CA.
A CAD.
Now, see, spicy drinks are good.
Oh, that's a euro.
What?
An A?
A is not a euro. He's in Australia. I know that, so that has to
okay.
be Australian money.
Wait a
But-
minute, so that one's from
Screw you,
California
Google.
and that one's from Alaska?
Arkansas.
Like this
Arkansas,
video.
Arkansas.
Subscribe to the show.
Anywhere
Because you'll
It
never
doesn't
see
matter
shit
where
like
you're
this anywhere
from.
else.
We like you.
We like you. So what you need to do is go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com, buy Serrano bitters, and then make the recipe there and add your dash, and you're done. You can garnish it with whatever you want. You want to garnish it with a pickle. You want to garnish it with candied peppers from Sonia's. You want to garnish it with... I gotta probably stop that. Why the hell did that happen?
Wow, that really upset him. Right in the middle of his...
Well, my the Slack shouldn't be going...
Yeah.
I can't even get to do that when I wanted
No, we're
to.
not drunk.
Yeah. So, play with your garnishes. Play with your spiciness
In your drinks.
in your drinks. Right. So what do you think of the... Is this not spicy? Like, Ian, like, is that too spicy for you? Not spicy enough? We
No,
all
it's
we
good.
all like spicy stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I like
Different
spicy
levels.
stuff.
Sometimes Dan
I
gets all
think that's
crazy.
the first thing I put in my mouth in a while, so maybe the spice kind of like caught me off guard because I wasn't prepped.
Oh, yeah, because you did the rebooting of your eye. I remember that.
Yes. Now that I'm rebooted, it's
Yeah, this isn't that spicy.
No. It doesn't...
These have been pretty spicy, though. We made multiple
Yeah,
drinks with this in there.
the minute you add a couple of those in there,
Yeah.
like they get they build on aggression
They're good.
pretty quick. These, on the other hand, they left my tongue kind of burny.
but they're really good.
Yeah.
I think that's the whole thing, though. We've been eating these,
Yeah.
so it's not going to make that
No, it
seem
just-
that hot.
Yeah. But that...
I'm actually drinking that to cool it down.
I know. I like the difference, like with the peppers, with the jalapeno. One of the things I've noticed is that I like the flavor of the Serrano better than the flavor of jalapeno. Better than the flavor of habanero, which is really fiery. It's like, I just like the Serrano flavor in a cocktail. Like, it adds depth to it without just adding fire punch.
Yeah.
There's a reason it's such a popular pepper in cocktails, right? It just goes well, right?
Yeah. Where jalapenos are a popular garnish for burritos.
It makes sense.
You gotta pick the
Burritos.
pepper that sticks with what you're trying to accomplish. I also want to thank our executive producer, Ryan Kiltz. He's a YouTube member and he's a Patreon subscriber, so you can go to patreon.com/CMC, or you can just click on the join thing, or you can just do both like he did.
Do it.
I mean, maybe, you know what? This is what I think. He subscribed to Patreon and forgot he's also paying for YouTube. Shh.
That's okay.
Yeah, don't let them know.
That's okay.
Not telling to anybody.
But that's okay if anybody else wants to do that.
Yeah, exactly. That's a good thing.
Yeah, double up. Let's see. The only other thing I had to say is check out her peppers because they're pretty tasty. If they weren't good, I would have told you that anyway, but now I wouldn't tell you a second time.
Sonia's peppers? Do you know Sonia?
I don't know Sonia. She sent them to me from the internet. She has a YouTube channel, I think, too.
Oh, that's nice, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but if you go to our website, I'm sure you can find all
He's in
this.
the chat room.
Collaborators, supporting collaborators.
Oh!
They're good peppers.
It's just got a cool icon on her. How did she?
Yeah,
How
see
did get an
that?
icon like
Where is she?
that?
I don't see her.
She's right there.
The third
Sony's
from the
sweet.
bottom, above A.
Oh, yeah.
Sony's sweet.
Oh, she's
spicy.
got her icon, her pepper
Yeah.
icon.
That's what I mean. I mean, that's a complicated icon to
Yeah.
put in a YouTube picture. And
Gluten-free, sodium-free, fat-free, vegetarian made love.
sodium-free? The gluten-free I can get.
If you pickle anything else, just send it
That's
to
what it
us
says.
because we'll
Vinegar,
eat
it's
it
not salt.
and put it in a
right?
drink.
Oh, yeah.
Vinegar usually do pickle.
Usually sugar and vinegar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not sugar-free because that would be weird.
I don't think it would be sweet.
SoniaSweetSpicy.com.
It would just be
There we go.
spicy. It would be spicy fire.
Oh, there's certain
Yeah, it would just
The
be
other
really
thing
spicy.
to keep this in mind, sugar extracts spice really well. So the only other thing that extracts spice as well would be alcohol. But those kind of it'd be different if you fill that up with vodka. You'd have to sell it to a different crowd. It'd be a lot harder to put it in a store, normally.
I got that.
Yeah. Ian's just gonna eat them all.
It is. They're
which
good.
is- there's a lot of them in there.
I know.
My hands don't work.
Oh, that's okay, because there's too much spiciness.
No.
There's gonna be a sidebar. In the sidebar, I'm having a hard time talking. I got like phlegm.
That's what happens when they're sweet. When you just keep eating them.
Yeah. The sidebar has videos. It's probably gonna be tequila and spicy stuff because I have a playlist for both of those things. Down below, bartender starter kit, which would be freaking awesome. You can use our coupon code FANS, save 15% off until October 3rd, 2019. The poop up came earlier, so it's too late for that now.
That'd be good with ice cream, actually.
We're teaching you how to
I can
drink.
totally picture that with ice cream. Well, they're sweet. They're like candy.
Oh yeah.
They're good.
Kinda cool.
Ben and
Everybody should try
Jerry's.